Sample questions for Prometric Exam. Nursing Care Skills Test Part 2 SSW, Japan. Based on the image, which of the following is the user most likely to experience? Tama! The correct answer is letter A. When exercising, emotionally stressed or angry, the systolic pressure rises. Systole is when the chamber of the heart contracts. It is the highest blood pressure that one experiences. Diastole is when the heart chamber relaxes. The lowest blood pressure is achieved, which is called diastolic blood pressure. What should be done if an accident nearly happens to the elderly or user? Tama! The correct answer is letter C. When the user almost fell from the wheelchair, during transfer should be recorded. The possible reason why it happened should also be noted. For example, forgetting to activate the brake. It did not result in an accident, but these reports will help to prevent an actual accident from happening. Near-miss report is an accident that did not cause harm. Recording and using the near-miss incident report help identify and control hazards. This is also reduce risk and potential harm and improve patient safety. In self-independent support, which of the following is not appropriate? Tama! The correct answer is letter A. Bathing, eating, and other activities can be assisted by the caregiver, but not to the fullest. It is not a professional care when the caregiver will do everything for the user. In maintaining the true level of independence, the user can also be involved in their own care. In bathing, they can help wash the parts of their body within their reach. They can also help in cooking, watering plants, and the like. In meal assistance, the following are correct, except tama. The correct answer is letter B. Let the user drink liquid like soup or tea before meals to moisten the mouth. Drinking water 30 minutes before meals also aid in digestion. Which of the following is not correct in using the wheelchair? Tama. The correct answer is letter A. Activate the brake when no one is using it. Always check and lock the brake because it may cause an accident while trying to reposition the user. One may accidentally hit the lever and make the wheelchair move. Letter B. Raising the foot plates when entering or exiting the chair can help reduce accidents. Letter C. Going down the slope with the wheelchair facing backward can prevent the user from sliding. Letter D. Checking the wheelchair's parts can prevent malfunction that may endanger the user. Choose the best answer. What is appropriate in assisting a user in defecation? Tama. The correct answer is letter B. Assume forward bent position during defecation because this posture helps the feces to easily pass through. Letter A. Using a diaper is the last option if the user has incontinence or inability to control their urine or bowel movement. Letter C is incorrect. User's privacy should be considered at all times. Letter D. When cleaning the genital area from front to back, it should not be wiped repeatedly with the same wipes in order to prevent infection. Which is not an appropriate practice in assisting a user in defecation. Tama. The correct answer is letter C. It is important to consider the user's privacy for them not to feel embarrassed during toilet use. Letter A. Using disposable gloves and apron is done to prevent the spread of infectious diseases. The following are changes that occur among elderly people except Tama. The correct answer is letter D. Hearing ability decreases among the elders. Hearing loss is the most common condition affecting older and elderly people. Presbycusis is a gradual and progressive diminishing of the sense of hearing among older people. In descending stairs, while using a cane or assisting device, what is not appropriate? Tama. The correct answer is letter B. In going down the stairs or descending with a cane, the following order should be followed. Cane, foot of the affected side, followed by the unaffected side. In ascending stairs, while using a cane or assisting device, what is not appropriate? Tama. The correct answer is letter D. When ascending, the care worker should stand one step lower and behind the user at the affected side and should support the upper or lower body of the user if needed. Which of the following is not appropriate in grooming assistance? Tama. The correct answer is letter A. Changing clothes is one way by which a user can express him, herself. The user may choose his, her clothes with the support of the caregiver. Grooming will give the user a positive outlook in life. Proper hygiene is important to prevent infections and also to maintain the relationship with others and improve the user's will to live. In assisting on a moving wheelchair, which of the following is not correct? Tama! The correct answer is letter D. Tell the user that you are pulling the wheelchair facing backwards before going down the slope. Do not press the tipping bar when going down the slope because this will make the wheelchair slide fast, which can result in injury. It is important to maintain the proper body mechanics. Which of the following is incorrect? Tama! The correct answer is letter D. Using wide base of support and lowering one's center of gravity will give more stability to the body. For example, in lifting a box, one keeps his back straight and bends his knees to help maintaining the center of gravity, and also let the strong muscle of his legs do the lifting. Which of the following is not correct in oral care? Tama! The correct answer is letter B. There's a risk of aspiration while lifting the user's chin when brushing the teeth. In providing nursing care, the caregiver should sit at the user's eye level and gently brush all the teeth surface and tongue. Keeping the mouth and teeth clean will protect the user's oral health and allow the quicker recovery by preventing infections. Which one is not correct in bathing assistance? Tama! The correct answer is letter C. For hemiplegic user, he, she should be entering the bathtub with the unaffected side first. At yan lang po para sa araw na ito. Stay tuned for the next video para marami pa tayong mapag-aralan. Minasama mite kurete domo arigatou gozaimashita. Kung may natutunan po kayo, please subscribe and like or comment below for any suggestion. Thanks for watching! Salamat po!